Get some water, just a little bit of water. Squeeze in here a little bit of lime. Okay. Banana flowers. Pretty old, the old layer outside. Just cut it off. A little bit more. Trying to get the tender leaves on the inside. It's a little bit damaged here. Cut that off. I got a couple of tools I usually use. This a Vietnamese peeler or one of these things, like so. There's flowers starting from the bottom here, so it's the flowers on the inside. It's probably about right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and shred the top off from the beginning. When I start seeing the inside flower, then I'll stop and start peeling them individually. So see in the middle here. After once in a while, these fiber gonna come out on the top here. Just kind of pick that and throw it out on the side. Now I start seeing a little flower come out, so I'm gonna stop there for a sec. The lime is actually give it a little bit of citrusy and help it from turning brown. So I'm gonna start separate these a little bit and remove the flowers. Usually I put those in the compost bin. Today I'm just gonna make a mess and I'll clean it up later. Like so. I'm gonna go ahead and peel the rest. After a while, there's going to be very brittle and delicate, so it's going to break. I'll stop at some point. I don't really know how to get the rest out. I mean, it's okay to eat this little flower blossom in there, but it's kind of like annoying, visually annoying. So I just do this, but really you can just do this whole thing with the flowers and everything inside. And I've done that before in the past. Just depends on if I have time or not. So this is starting to get pretty annoying here. Can't really get it out. So this is another tool that I use sometimes. It's just quickly doing this. It's very similar to the shredding or peeling tool here. So just kind of go back and forth like this. Just have to watch out for my fingers because it would happen to scrape my fingers at points in the past. Kind of scrape it in there like so. close to the end. I'll do this side. Make sure you press it down to make sure it's in the water. Flip it. Every so often I flip to make sure it's in the water. Now this is getting close to the end, so I don't want to chop down my fingers or scrape my fingers, so just cut them thinly. And they're not as thin as the peeler, but it's only a few pieces. It's only been out here for just a few minutes, and this piece already got oxidized and it started to turn brown. Same as this, it started to turn brown. I'm gonna go rinse this out after I clean all this mess up, and then I'll rinse this out quickly with water. Just rinse it a couple of times, that's it. Here we go. Nice. Yummy. This can be used for salad or in bún bò Huế or any sort of soup like bún riêu or bún măng vịt, or anything you like. We are making bún bò Huế today, so I'll grab me a little bit of this here. So we have that's a little bit of this right there, some of that, and some of that. Squeezes a little bit of lime. We are ready to roll. Bon appetit. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.